Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fix Netflix. In today's video, I'll show you how to perform a factory reset on your JVC TV without using a remote. If your TV is acting up, keeps restarting, or you are facing issues, a factory reset might just do the trick. This method removes all data from your TV and resets it back to default. So let's jump right in. Before we start, just a quick reminder, this factory reset will remove all saved data and settings from your TV. So only follow these steps if you are sure you want to reset everything. Alright, here's how to factory reset your TV without a remote. Make sure to follow each step carefully. Step 1. First, unplug the AC adapter from your TV. Now wait for at least 15 seconds before doing anything else. Step 2. Once 15 seconds have passed, plug the adapter back into the power outlet. Next, locate the control panel on your TV. You will usually find it on the back or side of the TV. Step 3. Now press and hold both the menu and volume down buttons on the control panel. While holding these buttons, press the power button as well. Step 4. Let go of the power button only, but keep holding the volume down and menu buttons. Hold the remaining buttons for about 5 seconds and then release them. Step 5. Once you have released all the buttons, check if the blue power LED on your TV has turned on. Wait for around 30 seconds to ensure this light stays on. Step 6. Finally, turn your TV back on. Your TV should now be fully reset to its factory settings. And there you have it. Your TV is now back to its original factory settings. This should help clear up any persistent issues, especially if it was restarting on its own. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Fix Netflix channel for more tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.